What's going on everyone? In this video I will show you how to fix Galaxy A56 video recording not working. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps. After clicking on apps, then scroll down and here you can see the option camera. Now click on camera and then here you can force stop your camera. After force stop your camera, then click on storage and here you can clear the cache memory of your camera. After clear the cache memory and force stop your camera, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.